Hello, welcome back, and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I am swatching things this morning just to get warmed up. I will eventually do a project, but so far this morning I've swatched my new inks from Temu and a set of 24 watercolor pencils that I've had for a while, and I can't even remember where I got them, but I haven't been using them, so I thought I would swatch them to see what the colors look like and how they react with water. So I did those two, and there's videos for both of those. Then I looked in my drawer and I found these metallic colored pencils, a set of 12. And from the label, I'm guessing they came from Temu or somewhere like that. Again, I'm not sure where I got them. Might have got them in a haul or from my niece, or who knows. But these are the colors. And so for these, I thought I would swatch them on white and on black because they're metallic. I'm going to start with the silver. And what I did for the watercolors, I'll do the same thing here. So I did a gentle shading, and then a pressing harder shading, and then a line. Excuse me. Just to show the color. And I'll do the same thing on the black while I've got it out. I've just drawn out a grid with the width of my clear ruler. So once you see the effects that you can get with them, you might be more likely to use them. With any new art supply, you have to play with it to see if you like it or what you can do with it. So there's the silver, and let's see if these have names. The other ones didn't have names. They just are. So these ones, I think I could probably tell them apart without having them labeled, but I'm going to label them anyway, just with numbers. So I'll call that 1. Probably should do that with pencil so you can see it better. And then I'll do this one that's sort of a champagne color. So just kind of shading with the side of it, and then more with the tip so that it's darker. And then drawing a line. You'll be able to see the color better up here. Nice champagne gold. Mark that one as well. And then this one that looks more like a pure gold. I do wish they would label them. Yeah, this is almost a greenish gold. Disappointed that they don't have one that's a bit more coppery. I like using rose gold or copper. With these ones, I thought with the Christmas season coming, there might be some uses for them. So that's one of the reasons I wanted to check them out. And then I think I'll switch to the pinks. Nice soft pink. That's nice. Go down here for 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's a richer pink. More of a dusty mauve, almost has a brown tone in it. Oops, I didn't do that one on the black. You're probably yelling at me. You missed one. Now this is more of a purple.
Hats and gloves were more than the fucking gloves. It's just fucking stupid. These are nice ones. They're really nice ones. Hey? Not for Workworth. I'll do the same for Rose Neath and I'll put them in with Rose Neath. But that's enough.
Okay, this one's more of a bluish purple. They don't seem very metallic to me. That's the only thing. I guess they do show up a little bit sparkly on the black paper, but not a lot. So if you're seeing this particular packaging, Brett Fooner on Temu or wherever, they're not as metallic-y as you might want them to be. Doesn't mean I won't use them, but if you're looking for something really sparkly, this isn't really sparkly. That's a very nice denim-y dark blue. But again, not very sparkly. Just a very subtle sparkle against the black. Oh, this one might be pretty. Oops. Yeah, that's right. I got interrupted there, so I'm just a little, just getting back in the rhythm here. It's a nice turquoisey blue. And I'm betting that this is going to be pretty. More of a teal. Yeah, I like that one. And more of lime green. A little bit olivey. Like a good Grinch green. So that's it on white and on black. So you can see, and you can see when I hold them up and move them, I don't know if you can see any of the shimmer on the black. You really can't pick any of it up on the white. But that's the packaging. And you can't really make out much on here, but it does say in larger 2AN5021. So if you liked, I hope that was helpful to you if you were considering buying these and have them in your cart, and you can sort of see what they look like this way in real life with some decent lighting. And so like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.